Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the Apple Watch Ultra 2 speak the time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, you can hold down on your watch screen and your watch will speak the time. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap clock. Then scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of Speak Time to enable or disable the setting. You can choose between Control with Silent Mode or Always Speak. If you choose Control with Silent Mode, then when your watch is in silent mode, it won't speak the time. To make your watch speak the time, hold down 2 fingers on the home screen near the time. Your watch will then speak the current time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.